How to shorten LEVOLOR Trim+Go Faux wood blinds. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Metal tape measure, tape, flathead screwdriver, scissors. Extend your blinds and mark your desired length with a piece of tape. Next, remove all the slats below the marked slat. Cut all horizontal cords below marked slat. Repeat for all ladder cords. Be careful not to cut any vertical cords. Then, cut inner vertical cords about 3 inches below the marked slat. Repeat for all ladder cords. Do not cut outer vertical cords. Raise the bottom rail up to meet your marked slat. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove all buttons from the underside of the bottom rail. Next, you'll feed the cut cord ends into the bottom buttons. And finally, reinstall the buttons while holding the bottom rail parallel to the floor. You're all set and ready to start enjoying your newly shortened LEVOLOR blinds today, tomorrow, and every day.